Oh, I'm excited. Any chance you get to work with other colleagues and people and share your ideas and get their feedback. I'm excited to be here and just honored for the opportunity. Well, I work in the field of physical activity, but really as it relates to public health. So how do we promote physical activity to populations of health? And my specific area of expertise is something called implementation science. So we're not trying to figure out if physical activity is good for you. We're trying to figure out how to get people to do physical activity. We're trying to figure out how to get systems and settings and communities to adopt physical activity so we can really impact a large number of people.